Hello brown lash lovers, this is Jessica at jDEVEREUX Beauty, and today we are talking about sugaring, and it's not sugar wax, it's sugaring, which can be kind of confusing. So sugaring is not a wax, it's actually sugar, lemon, and water. The brand I have been enjoying is called Sugar Dough, D-O-H. It's available at Ulta or online directly from the company. I started seeing this when we were sheltered in place at home, and it is a glass container. It is women owned. It is made in the USA, and they are very thoughtful about their practices. This is their prep powder that's in aluminum, and then that's in metal or in glass. What's cool is I've trained in 3 different sugaring companies, and they had a lot of plastic for their containers. And so it didn't make me love it, having all this plastic. So when I saw that there was a company that was creating sugar that also is using these other, I guess like packaging, I was like, well, let me give it a go. And made in the US and made by women. So it's really cool. You can always make it at home. There's recipes online. I don't want to make anything at home. So I love to purchase it. It's been very consistent. So you're gonna see me work with this product. And then my favorite tool to do eyebrow sugaring is this Elibana. So Elibana is a lash lifting company, lash extension company out of Australia. You can purchase with them, they have US distributors. It's their original metal tool that is not sharp. It has a paddle end, not sharp. And then a pointy end, but not really sharp. This has been my favorite tool for doing so many things. I use it for lash lifting, I use it for tinting, I use it for sugaring, and then I can sanitize it and reuse it. So this has been awesome. So what you're gonna see in this video is me using this tool and Sugar Dough sugar, and we'll link where to purchase, but this is replacing my waxing practice, and Sugar Dough is 100% biodegradable and water soluble. So if you get in a sticky situation, no pun intended, or maybe, you can just get it wet and wash it off. So it's not gonna get stuck the way some wax does. It's not hot, so it's just room temperature, body temperature, that seems to decrease histamine response in people's bodies. It's really limited ingredients. It's not, sometimes people have allergies because nature can cause allergies. So sugar, lemon, and water, or just the sugar and lemon could be the cause. So I do keep like a paraffin wax on hand for my really sensitive clients, a hard wax on hand for my sensitive clients. But I try not to use it at all costs, and it is down. I don't even know how infrequently I use it. So this has been working really well for me to reduce my plastic dependency in hair removal for the face. And I don't see a lot of content for brow sugaring, so I want to help. So stay tuned for future classes. Professionals are going to be creating some support for you guys. See you next time. I'm going to show you how much sugar I use for brows. I'm going to take out by spinning maybe a pea-sized amount by twisting, and then I just kind of shake until the string breaks and try to keep it in the container so you don't get the edges sticky. Just a pea-size. I open up the powder. Put a little on my SMA, and then I take my clean glove and I put it on the area I'm going to sugar. So here you're seeing me use the middle. I think this is a great place to practice. If you want to figure out how to sugar, start here. So this video is just about getting comfortable with the process. You're seeing me spread the sugar. You go against how the hairs grow, and then you flick it in the direction they grow. So spread it underneath firmly, and then flick in the direction they grow. And I'm using my opposite thumb to brace the skin. So you see me kind of lifting up. So I'm going under, and then I'm gonna flick it in the direction it grows and try to stay parallel to the skin. Like with wax, you don't wanna lift it 90 degrees, stay parallel. So that's what you're seeing. Again, I'm spreading it opposite, firm, and then doing a flick in the direction. There it is again. You're gonna see me take my clean end and get a hair out from being stuck to it. So that other end is what I use it for. Very helpful. If anything's left over, you can actually touch it with the sugar and kind of pick it up. I'll let it tone, I'll clean the skin at the end. But this is where I would practice to get comfortable with sugaring. It's a flat area. As long as people don't feel like they have sensitive skin, that's a good area to practice. When you're done, just put it in water. 15 minutes later, it's water again. And then clean it.